Well, hello everybody. This is an update of my California snow. As you can see, there's none right outside my window here. And the mountains over there, although, have really got a coating. Let me zoom in here. And of course, it's all fogged in there, so you're not going to be able to see anything. But there's the snow running all across the San Gabriel Mountains in California. And from what I understand is up there, they got near 7 feet. They got 80 inches. So near 7 feet of snow up there. And then over there, they got about just under 3 feet of snow. Well, that was before I went to bed last night, so it could be up higher than that. Anyway, there's my update.